going on, guys? Welcome back to new videos. Today, guys, what I want to do, I want to educate you and also I want to motivate you, especially for those who have been trading penny stocks or interested in trading penny stocks. About a week and a half ago, guys, I released a video on this channel that most of you got to see. And those who didn't see it, you didn't see it because you didn't have that notification on, and also you haven't pressed that like on my penny stock video. So make sure you press that like so you get to see those suggestions from YouTube when I drop these kind of videos. So that video, guys, I had one tip out of the three. And that was, by the way, the video will be in the description. That was, after every spike, there will be a pullback. Now, guys, you know on this channel, we trade biopharmaceutical penny stocks. You know, we trade biopharma penny stocks because we know the exact day when they will spike in value. And we know the reason why they will spike in value significantly. Okay? So biopharmaceutical penny stocks, guys, are risky because 60-70% of penny stocks will fail in general. That's why we don't invest in penny stocks. But those who listened to what I had to say in that video a week and a half ago or 2 weeks ago, where I said after every spike there will be a pullback, took that information and put it to use in a stock called ABIO, which is a biopharmaceutical penny stocks that was basically getting hyped up on the day because of news, which was the FDA approval, I think, or some data release. I'm not sure what it was that influenced the stock to spike in value by 100% before market open. Those who got to see that stock spike in value also got to see it pull back significantly, i.e. it cratered. That's exactly what I said in that video a week and a half ago. After every spike, there has to be a pullback. Now, one of you guys on the Discord chat alerted the people on Discord with that. It wasn't me who alerted you guys, but it was one of you guys who are part of my Discord, my trading community. And everybody started trading that stock. Here's one of you guys that made $50,000 trading ABIO, shorting ABIO, by the way. So the pullback, after every spike, there has to be a pullback. $50,000 in the space of an hour. Here's another person that made 30% in the space of, I think, an hour also. Some of you got to see him on the Discord chat. We all congratulated that person, and we all use people like these as examples. And that's why I'm here, guys, is to kind of show these people off, just to motivate you and tell you guys can do the same thing if you keep practicing and learning, because it is a continuous cycle. Now, that person that made that large sums of money, guys, or those two people, and I know some of you also made that money, and I do show you guys off time and time again on my channel just to motivate you, and I do share it on my Instagram also just to motivate you and just to prove to you guys that what we teach actually works, right? Because I know when I give things for free, because they're free, usually they're taken for granted. So I don't want you guys to take it for granted. That's why we have the course also, because when you get the course, you kind of take it seriously, and also you get, by the way, the course is there in the description, and also it comes with the Discord chat, the trading community, so make sure to get it if you're interested. Let's leave the course to the side. We promoted that enough at this stage. So that person, guys, asked me a question after he made that large sums of money and said, Zed, what did you do after you made your first large sums of money? Well, here's my answer to every single person watching, because you will have your chance. You will have your chance to make large sums of money. Don't get too brave. Don't get too brave and too eager and too excited and too confident, because you're going to end up giving money back. So what can you do in this case? Well, act like you haven't made a cent. Go back to the day where you haven't made that large sums of money, right? Stick to your strategy, don't change it, and stick to exactly what you've been doing before you made that large sums of money. That was my advice to that person, and that's my advice to you guys. Your chance will come. But that's the way to be consistent and profitable and make those large sums of money, is not to take money and give it back to the market because of you. At the end of the day, it's you who's in charge of making money or losing money. Nothing else, nobody else. Okay? So I just want to make this video, guys, just to educate you. The video will be there, the tutorials will be there in the description. Keep pushing, keep learning. And that person has been trading, that person that turned 30%, his account was turned into 30% over a single hour, guys. 30% return in one single hour. How can you not be so scared? Because on that chat he said, Zed, I was scared. How can you not be scared when you make what you would make, in 2 months in single hour? And that's just the reward side of things. And then there's the risk side of things. Imagine losing what you would be making in 2 hours if you didn't know what you were doing. But fortunately, people have been practicing. Fortunately, that's why I say, put in the practice first, and then you will see the change, because nobody makes money just like that without actually working and grinding in the background. Nobody can do that. Yes, you might, but that's beginner's luck. But if you want to do it again, you have to practice, continuously learn, time and time again, so you can have this level of consistency, and profitability, right, in the long term. So yeah, you guys can do the same thing if you keep working and pushing forward and learning at the same time. Like I said, plenty of tutorials, guys, and do me a favor, please do not take what I say here for granted or even disregard what I say, especially when it comes to penny stocks, I guess trading in general. You know, I don't have to put things out for free, but if you want to prove it to yourself, open up a demo account, put what I say into practice. It's that simple. It's that simple. Open up a demo account and put what I say into practice. That's it. You have nothing else to lose. It's free. All you have to do is spend 10 minutes to watch one of my tutorials. Open up a demo account and put what I say into practice. That's it. Prove it for yourself. What are you waiting for? Guys, that's all I ask for you. I'm not asking you to do anything else. And when you're ready, the course is there for you guys. That's it. Peace and love, just like always. I appreciate you for watching. I'll see you again for more videos, guys. Don't forget to smash that like, that notification. And by the way, don't worry, when I give these kind of information out, it's not me giving secrets out. Don't worry, because I see people saying that don't give out secrets. It's not a secret. The more people that know about this, the better. Because when people know about shorting, when people know that when a stock shoots up in value, it has to come back down, and more people go on the short position, the stock will drop even further, so everybody gets to eat. And also when people know that a stock is coming out with FDA approvals, everybody's jumping on that stock. But that's the way it works when it comes to penny stock, guys. Understand that a stock cannot shoot up when the fundamentals and the price don't correlate, because sooner or later some analyst is going to downgrade that stock and the stock will collapse eventually. So that's why it's important for you to learn how to short. Shorting will save you. It will make you successful in the long term. I don't care if you don't like shorting. Learn how to short. It's simple. It's just the opposite of buying. You're basically betting on the stock going down in value. That's it. That's what shorting is. It's betting that the stock is collapsing. Just like buying, you're betting that the stock's going up in value. Shorting, we're betting the stock is going down in value. That's why it's so easy. It's actually easier than buying. Shorting is easier than buying. Anyways, gotta go. See you again for more videos. Smash that like, turn that notification on, guys, and let me know in the comment section your success. And also, if you've been seeing any change in life, always smash that like if you made it this far. Smash that like if you want more free content like these, where I give you tips and whatnot, because I don't know if you guys want them or you just want motivational videos. So let me know what you want. Peace, just like always. Peace and love, guys.